How to remove age restrictions on Instagram. So this is the what we are going to talk about today in this video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram on your mobile. As you open Instagram on your mobile, go down to the profile option that is located down in the bottom right corner. Click on that. After you have clicked on that, go to the top 3 lines. Click on that and then go to the settings. Once you have opened the settings option, then go on business. As you click on the business, then there will be an option of minimum age. Click on minimum age. As you click on minimum age, then you can add a default minimum age that is set by your country, or you can change it by changing it to whatever minimum age that you want. So this is how you can change the minimum age and also remove age restrictions on Instagram. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button, and if you have any question of any sort, put them down in the comment section. Thank you.